Alright, next up, height of an equilateral triangle. So for this question, we would need to use a theorem called Pythagoras theorem, which equates the hypotenuse and the height in the base of a triangle. So first, let's look at what an equilateral triangle is. So question 7, so an equilateral triangle is actually a triangle which has all the sides the same. So if this is a triangle A, B, and C, all the three sides AB, AC, and BC are of the same length, so we can call them of length, let's say, X. So what this question is asking us to do is it's asking us to find the height. So the height can be found. Let's draw the height first. So if I were to draw this triangle again, and if I draw the height, which is from the top to the base, let's call these points again A, B, and then C, we would be left with, and then this new point is D. This length is X, this length is X. The way the height of an equilateral triangle works is that at the intersection point D, it splits the line BC into two equal halves. So this is equal to this, and they are both equal to X over 2. Since the overall length BC was equal to X, like outlined in the above expression here. So when we split it into two halves, it becomes X over 2, X over 2. Okay, now is when we use the Pythagoras theorem to be able to find what h would be. So let me just mark down h here first, so we know we're calculating for that. We're trying to find the h, which is AD. So if I split the triangles into one triangle, that should be enough to do the question. So if I just look at the left hand triangle of the equilateral triangle, so we're left with A, D, and B. This is X, this is H, and this is X over 2. This is a 90-degree angle, because since the point D is intersecting at the middle point, it always forms a 90-degree angle with the line BC. So given this scenario, we know that the Pythagoras theorem states that the hypotenuse squared is actually equals to the base squared plus the height squared for a 90-degree triangle. So in this case, so for this triangle ABD, so for triangle ABD, our hypotenuse, which is the longest side, is AB. So we can say AB squared equal to AD squared, which is actually the height, plus BD squared, which is the base. AB is actually equal to X, as we had first initialized it to be, sorry. So AB becomes X squared. AD, which is the height, is H squared, plus BD, which is the base, is X over 2 squared. So we are trying to simplify for H, so we can take this expression onto the left hand side and subtract it with X squared. So from that, what we will get is X squared minus X squared over 4 equal to H squared. Therefore, if we simplify this, we will get H squared equal to 3x squared over 4, or if we take the under root or square root of both sides, we would get our final answer to be h is equals to square root of this entire expression. We know that x squared is already a perfect square, and 4 as a perfect square, it's a perfect square of 2. So we can further simplify it by saying this is equal to under 3x over 2 is the formula for the height of an equilateral triangle. Okay, I hope the solution is clear as well. Let's see what they have described. So equilateral triangle of height ABC is perfect. X over 2, x squared plus h squared is equals to h squared. Perfect. Square. So that's correct.